Hello internet friend, in this video I'm going to show you how I went from being a traditional human YouTuber, just like this, hello, yes this is me, and turned myself into a 2D YouTuber, just like this, in a matter of hours using nothing but a smartphone and 3 mobile applications. Let's go! So first up, I think we should cover the 3 apps that you'll need to download in order to create your 2D vTuber model. The first app is Loom. Loom is an awesome screen recording software app for both mobile and desktop that allows you to record what's happening on your screen as well as capture audio at the same time. Unfortunately, there currently isn't an app that allows you to build and record your avatar in one, so Loom is a fantastic option to get around that. And once you've downloaded Loom in the App Store, you'll need to open it and create a free account. Free Loom accounts allow you to store up to 25 videos with a max length of 5 minutes each. For beginners, this is perfect. However, if you are looking to create longer videos long term, I'd highly recommend upgrading to the paid plan, which is fairly inexpensive and it gives you an unlimited amount of videos with an unlimited recording time. The second app you'll need to download is called Reality. Reality is a free app to download on both Android and iPhone, and it allows you to create your very own custom avatar, similar to the one I'm talking to you as right now. Out of all the apps that I've tried so far for quickly making a unique custom avatar, Reality has been the best and the most user-friendly, and I believe that's because there's no reading required in this app in order to track your expressions. The third app you'll need is called Inshot, so this app we'll be using to edit our first video together. Inshot is a great tool for editing videos, particularly on mobile. It has the ability to do just about everything you could ever need in an editing program. Inshot even allows you to adjust the stage size of your videos, so you can easily create a vertical or horizontal version of your content, depending on which platform you're planning to post on. I think it is also important to note that the free version of Inshot does contain advertising and produces a watermark on your content. To remove the watermark, you do have the option to either pay a set fee each time you export from the app, or you can just upgrade to the Pro version, which is also relatively inexpensive. For me, it works out to be $2.80 per week. So, after you've downloaded all of these apps, I suggest you put everything together in this order. Number 1, after you've played around with your 2D vTuber model and you're happy with your appearance, set the background to a fluoro green color. This makes it really easy to remove the background from your recording later on in Inshot. 2, you need to choose a background for your final edit. This could be a cool looping animation similar to the ones that I'm using in this video, or you could also just use a static photo background to begin with. The choice is yours, really. 3, once you've decided on your background, open the Loom app, scroll to the screen recording option, and make sure that your microphone is accessible to the app, and then start your broadcast. 4, once your broadcast is recording, all you need to do is jump over to the Reality app where your 2D vTuber model should be waiting for you on the green background. Number 5, once the Reality app is open and you can see your avatar, you need to place your phone in an angle that you're happy with and get your 2D vTuber model into position and then record the content that you want to record in that session. Number 6, once you've recorded your content, you'll need to save your Loom broadcast to your phone or download the broadcast on your laptop and then send it back to your phone ready for editing. Number 7, you'll need to start a new project in your Inshot app, set the stage size according to the social platform that you're going to be posting on, and add your background media first. Once you've added your background media to the project inside of Inshot, it's time to use the PIP function to layer your broadcast that contains your avatar over the top of your background. Once you've got your avatar loaded into the project, you'll need to scroll across to the cutout feature in the edit panel. Once you find it, select it, and then it should remove the green background altogether. And then finally, after your background has been removed, your avatar should look like they're comfortably in their background environment where they should be. From here, the rest of the editing is up to you, really. And that, my friends, is how to become a 2D VTuber in a matter of hours using nothing but a smartphone and 3 mobile applications. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I'd really appreciate it if you could give the video a thumbs up for the algorithm and subscribe for more VTuber content in future. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye!